Hey, what's up, Kishu inu token holder? What's going on this time? Kishu inu price is totally decreasing and very critical condition for all my viewers, my subscriber. I think this is very shock news, especially for holders. But don't worry, I have also very good news and very surprise for all my Kishu inu coin holder. What's surprise and what's good news? Everything I'm going to discuss now. But kindly, you will never need my friends to watch other videos. If you watch this, kindly, please, I hope just watch this video completely. Alright, come to the point. As you can see this time, the Kishu inu price is decreasing 10.41% in last 24 hours. But if we see, my friend, is the volume at this time, so you can see here volume is 0.94% in decrease now. So remember to when the volume is decreasing, so 100% the market cap is decreasing, and when market cap is increasing, so there are possibilities to the price will also dumps down. So don't worry, you will never need, my friends, to my friend, you can see here fair fred, no need for fred, because this time you can see here the volume is also, you can see here this time you can see here they will change occur to very negative. So I hope, my friend, they will starting and positive change occurring, but there is possibility if a holder are starting buying, investing more and more, otherwise they will dumps down more and more and they cannot give you a profit. But if we see, my friend, this time the chart conditions, so the chart condition is clearly show this, my friends, to this time holders are starting selling, and remember to it's very badly dumps down when holders are starting selling. As you can see, my friend, this time the green, this is the profit my friend, they will pumps up from resistance line, so they are in the profit, but when they will dumps down, so 100% very badly lost now. So this time they are losting, but remember to after a dump, every coin will pumps up, and I am 100% sure to after this dump, they will just only pumps up. But in last 24 hour, my friend, you can see here we will understand this to in upcoming time. There is a possibility to they will pumps up. But if we check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart reason, so you can see here this time the Kishu inu is completely on the profit. So that's clear, my friend. So this is temporary dump. Don't ignore this and don't starting selling. You will need to wait a few days more if you are a long time investor. But if you're a short time investor, my friend, when they will starting moving upward and hit the resistance lines, you will need to starting selling and get and be safe from lost. All right, because in those days there is also possibility to the price will more dumps down, the market cap is crushed down, so therefore you will need to starting selling and be safe from loss. So hope you understand. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel and like button. Allah Hafiz, take care.